know what to look for. Most cough syrups you can find, it's either phenylephrine or dextromethorphan. This study found that buckwheat honey was just as effective, not slightly less, but with less side effects, straight up just as effective as dextromethorphan for treating upper pediatric respiratory infections. So when I read that, I was like, why would you ever give a kid dextromethorphan when honey does the trick? And it's natural and has all these other health benefits. And interestingly, phenylephrine, which is these are two actives that are in Robitussin and Vicks and all of these conventional cough syrups that most of us grew up purchasing and thinking were helping us. Phenylephrine is now being recalled by the FDA because it doesn't even work. It's just a chemical that does not help you.
When is the right time to take honey?